This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for November 27th, 2024. It's currently October 13th, 2024, 8:06 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $579.58, that's USD. And the shuffle video for the November 27th reading was created on October 3rd, 2024 at 1:57 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there. But always pay attention to the sequence of events, because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a cross-trading congruency for the theme card, a sideways fluctuating decline that precedes a notable rally. It's the last card. What I mean by cross-trading congruency, on the 1 month, it's the last card there on the 29th. It appears a day early in timing here on the 27th, but the sequence of events is probably still pretty solid. Behavior on the highest high, a nullified Queen of Cups, like when we saw it earlier, like on the 26th, the high. Behavior around the lowest low for the day, we have a notable reversal that'll really stand out amongst the reversals. Near the low, notable reversal really stand out. And then I'm advised to trade around a decline that increases with momentum moving forward in time. We open higher in the pre-market, and there's a crest in the pre-market that we sell off from pretty notably. There's a peak in the pre-market that we sell off from pretty notably. Decline increasing with momentum moving forward into the open. And then a lot of price change covered. We do sideways rotation, so it might be that we're coming out of a high there. Remember, it's a nullified card, so we're probably coming out of a high in the pre-market. It's declining into sideways rotation in the first half hour. That sideways rotation ends with a fast sudden move higher, taking us into key resistance between roughly 10 and 11. From that key resistance, we decline notably, increasing with momentum moving forward in time into a trough and trade opportunity just after 11 o'clock, most likely. A rally commencing there, increasing with momentum moving forward into a resistance level probably around 1 o'clock. 3 pokes through the same trend line with a sharp drop off of that third poke into a decline. And that decline will probably take us from a peak around 1 o'clock into a low or a trough between 2 and 3, and there should be a significant amount of movement to the downside there, a sharp unicursal decline there on the 27th. On a one-day chart scale, taking us into the low, out of that decline, a big move from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of the range, and then more decline, or more sideways rotation in the last hour with a failed attempt to break through key resistance, and then a decline through key support around the close. So you could probably do a couple of day trades. So here at the open, after a sharp decline, that one's a little risky. At the truce card price level, which may very well be this price level, hard to say. We have this truce card price level, when we rally into key resistance there between roughly, the sideways rotation ends with a fast sudden move higher, taking us into key resistance roughly between 10 and 11, probably closer to 10 than 11. Open up a short there, close the short at a trough, taking place just after 11 o'clock. It's a quick day trade. So you could probably open up a short position for an overnight swing trade or an over holiday swing trade into the 29th at this key resistance that it looks like we're going to break through right around the close. You could open up a short there and then close the short in the morning on the 29th. That's SPY for November 27, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go and you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy holidays.